I thought I'd go ahead and give you a close-up on this AGA Campolin Renzo Pescato design masterpiece. This is a 13-inch Batwing Swinguard and sandbar Stag. The Stag is just beautiful on this one too. This is number 18. I'm sorry, number 17. The Chris is number 18 in my Batwing collection. The Batwings are lockbacks. They've got a flush button. This flush button was actually the Batwing was named after the Batwing rather. They call them Batwings and Batwings. This flush button inspired the Batwing name, and the Maltese guards just filled it. Filled it up and cinched the name in. And on these knives, they just speak for themselves in their beauty. Solid nickel silver bolsters. These things are thick. Really nice piece. And this is number 17. Out of 18. Aaron, you're going to love yours, and Bruce, shoot a video when you get a chance. The 2010 series was the first series, and that means a lot because the others were mainly made in, they were assembled, I'm not going to say where they were assembled, but it was in Italy. Beautiful, beautiful piece. An ounce an inch. Take it easy, guys. Tony, thanks again. Beautiful, beautiful piece. Later.